All right, guys, I'm gonna give y'all a quick rundown on installing a new water pump on a 2015, I believe, I can't remember the year models, but I think 2015 to 2017 5.0 water pump. This is the design on them anyways. Take that clamp off, and then this clamp, you can finagle it out of your way, slay it over here. I undid this line too. It was pretty simple. All you had to do was press in right here, and it released on the inside, and I pulled it off from this nipple right here. Once you do that, you can undo this right here, but you need to undo this thermostat housing. You need to undo that, and then you can undo this hose and this one, which I'm replacing this hose too while I'm at it, and you can move it down out of your way just enough where you can get to it. You don't have to take off the throttle body. So another thing that I did, got dielectric grease, whatever you want to call it, and I rubbed it around the O-rings on that and this, because mine was really rusty before. I don't know, I just did that to help it slide in a lot easier. But once you do that, that's pretty much it. You got 4 bolts. You got them 2, and then let me see if I can. And I don't know if you can see, but there's 2 bolts down there as well. So you got 4 bolts holding it in. The pulley was really easy. Just undid those 3 bolts. I held it with my hand, and I used my little breakaway tool. You can use a ratchet or whatever, and that ended up getting it right smooth off. So pretty simple process. Hopefully this video helps y'all. I just want to give a quick rundown. I mean, I won't go through all the whole deal, but oh yeah, also pull off the belt, you know, before you got to release the tension on the belt and get it off the pulley before you undo it. So let me know if y'all got any questions.